Right now we are in the Upper East region of Ghana, and we are traveling from Bolgatanga to Boku right now. Because I have this four-wheel drive vehicle, I'm able to cross riverbeds and go through these large potholes to go into the villages to preach the gospel to the churches. And if I didn't have this four-wheel drive, some of these villages are impassable. Some of these villages don't even have roads. I want to say thank you so much to Speed the Light for allowing me to have this vehicle so that I can go to these remote areas in the northern regions of Ghana to bring the gospel.